What if the world you knew suddenly vanished? What if nature's most powerful forces struck without warning, leaving nothing but devastation in their wake? In 2024, that's exactly what happened in 5 of the most catastrophic natural disasters the world has ever seen. From the driest deserts to the most technologically advanced cities, no place was safe. But what if these storms, floods, and quakes are a glimpse into our future? Join us as we explore these disasters and uncover the hidden forces behind them. Record-breaking rainfall in Dubai. April 16, 2024, marked a grim milestone for Dubai. A staggering 120 millimeters of rain fell within a single day, shattering a 75-year record. The bustling metropolis, known for its towering skyscrapers and cutting-edge infrastructure, was brought to a standstill as torrential downpours overwhelmed drainage systems and turned streets into rivers. The flooding caused widespread chaos. Transportation networks were crippled, with roads and metro lines submerged. Schools and offices shut down, and thousands of residents were left stranded in their homes. Tragically, the disaster also resulted in casualties, underscoring the vulnerabilities in Dubai's urban design. Experts have attributed this unprecedented rainfall to the effects of climate change, warning that such extreme weather events are likely to increase in frequency. For Dubai, this disaster serves as a wake-up call to fortify its infrastructure against future challenges. Potings.
وديان الفريج ما شاء الله الفريج بكبره وادي.
Tornado devastates Shandong province, China. In April 2024, a powerful tornado tore through Shandong province in eastern China, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The storm struck Dongman County with winds so fierce that entire neighborhoods were reduced to rubble. The tornado claimed 1 life and injured 79 others, with several in critical condition. Homes, businesses, and farmlands were obliterated, and power lines were downed, plunging thousands into darkness. Advanced warnings helped save lives, but the scale of the damage was immense. Amid the devastation, stories of resilience emerged as the community rallied to rebuild and support those affected. The disaster highlighted the growing intensity of extreme weather in the region and the urgent need for improved disaster preparedness. Typhoon Yagi's wrath across Southeast Asia. On September 2, 2024, Typhoon Yagi, also known as severe tropical storm Enteng in the Philippines, made landfall with ferocious intensity. It quickly intensified into a super typhoon, unleashing winds of 260 kilometers per hour and torrential rains across Southeast Asia. In the Philippines, Yagi caused deadly landslides and flash floods, claiming over a dozen lives. China, Hainan province faced its strongest storm in a decade, with 830,000 households losing power. Northern Vietnam bore the brunt of the storm, suffering catastrophic flooding that left 226 people dead and millions displaced. Agricultural lands were submerged, devastating livelihoods, and exacerbating food insecurity in the region. The death toll across affected countries climbed to 325, making Yagi one of the deadliest storms of the year. Rising ocean temperatures, fueled by climate change, have been linked to the increasing intensity of typhoons like Yagi. The storm served as a grim reminder of the urgent need for global climate action. Catastrophic flooding in Spain. In late October 2024, Spain experienced one of its worst natural disasters in decades.
Aquí estaba mi coche.
Torrential rains caused by a low-pressure system brought over a year's worth of rainfall in mere hours. The Valencian community, Castilla-La Mancha, and Andalusia bore the brunt of the disaster. The floods claimed 231 lives, including tragic stories like that of a baby in Torrent, Valencia. Over 1,000 soldiers and helicopters were deployed to rescue stranded residents and provide relief to devastated communities. The economic toll was staggering, with damages estimated at 3.5 billion euros. Thousands of homes were destroyed, and critical infrastructure was severely impacted. The event exposed weaknesses in urban planning and flood management systems. This disaster was yet another grim testament to the increasing severity of climate-induced weather events, calling for urgent reforms in infrastructure resilience. Hurricane Batina ravages Russia's Black Sea coast. Hurricane Batina struck Russia's Black Sea coast with unprecedented force.
Пошла волна. Вон их две пошли.
Ты в кадре, братан, ты в кадре.
With winds peaking at 144 kilometers per hour, Batina brought blizzard conditions inland, while battering coastal cities like Balaklava and Sochi with storm surges and torrential rains. Boats were tossed ashore, streets turned into rivers, and over 2.5 million people were left without power. The storm claimed 23 lives, with emergency responders working tirelessly to evacuate citizens and clear debris. Despite the destruction, the resilience of local communities shone through. Batina was a stark reminder of the growing impact of climate change on extreme weather events, even in regions not traditionally associated with hurricanes. These disasters of 2024 remind us of nature's power and the fragility of our world. But they also highlight the resilience of communities and the urgency of global action to address the climate crisis. As we face an uncertain future, one thing is clear: preparedness and unity are our greatest defenses against nature's fury. What do you think is the most important step humanity must take to prevent such disasters? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our changing world.